Good, good morning, my elite. So y'all can see I just have my conditioner in my hair right now. Whew, I was running up them stairs. I finished eating breakfast and I'm about to wash this conditioner out and get started on twisting my hair up. I got a long day ahead of me. It is probably, what time is it? It's 8:30. So we're gonna try to get this done by no more than 3 o'clock. Fingers crossed, 3 o'clock. But I wanted to come on here and tell y'all Peyton's vlog the other day, and she was, talking about her hair or whatnot, and she held up this Joico shampoo and conditioner. I like the fact that she actually shows her natural hair, and she has that 4C type hair, and it still has its retention, the length and all that stuff. I know it looks like up here from the wigs or whatnot, but I'm like, let me try that shampoo and conditioner. And y'all, she was spot on. So thank you, Peyton, but shouting out that Joico, because it is very much so hydrating on my hair. I was able to comb through it with ease and everything. It is like really soft. So we're gonna put it to the test with the twist up. So hopefully it, holds up and it doesn't make my twist keep coming down, really fast. But so far I like it. If you're looking for some good shampoo conditioner as a natural girly, not even a natural girly, this shampoo and conditioner is really good.
Where's your other 50,000 pairs of shoes?
Each one of these times, will
No. No, remember we only said
Say it's not about
sandals
money.
and
Spice
one.
is just
So guys, I wanted to share with you this scrubber that I got. It is a mop cleaner with detachable handheld steamer. It is by Scrub Wiz, and it is a 10-in-1 multi-accessory steamer. So I got this for multiple reasons. I needed a steamer for one. For two, I am going to be getting new floors upstairs, so this would be perfect for cleaning the floors because I'm going to get the either the vinyl, laminate, whatever it is. And then my curtains. So my curtains have been so wrinkled forever now since I put them up. And I had nothing to like, get the wrinkles out other than taking the curtains down and having to iron them. This right here is going to be perfect. It has so many accessories and can do so many different things. Guys, this thing is awesome. I'm going to show you in just a bit how it works. And you can get this on sale at Amazon for around $71. Normal regular price is $110. Okay, so this is what the curtains are looking like. So we are going to go ahead and put that steamer to the test and make sure that it is working the way it's supposed to. As you can see, those are pretty smooth. These are quite wrinkly. And I know every time I sit down here, y'all see them wrinkled old curtains behind me. So let's check it out. Get it? Ooh. So this just shows that it is worth the buy. You can see the after, and over there is the before. And I could have, taken a little bit more time to steam it more to get all the wrinkles out. But I was just doing this for demonstration purposes, just to show you that the steamer does work. So again, check the description box for the link. All right.
Whip, body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want.
Good morning, my Elite fam. Happy Friday. Happy 4th of July. It is early in the morning. It's probably around 11ish. I guess not early in the morning, but it's 11ish. And y'all, it felt so good not to just have to jump out of that bed this morning to get ready to go to work. So I am waiting on my daughter to finish getting dressed, and then we have a few errands to run, getting some more snacks and I think some aspirin or whatnot for, in case we have a headache while we're gone. We don't like to be without migraine pills. So we're gonna run and do that, and then we are going to head to the city to visit my cousin. It is my aunt's birthday today, so we're just gonna stop by for a few because we got an early flight in the morning and we don't want to be super tired. But I will pick you guys back up. Oh, my nose is itching. I'll pick you guys back up in just a little bit. I just wanted to pop on the camera and say good morning. All right, bye. Ooh. This is what we're wearing today. Chase a bag. Always chasing a bag. Hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's look over there. I never know where to look at. I know it's over there. Green dots. Green dots be over there. You getting all the money out the bank? No, he's the one.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary.
So I ain't got no damn sense.
You want some wine?
Yeah.
No.
Should've been with you. What's that?
You gonna get a split in your finger? No. Target.
Target what?
Arrows. Put that in the back. See what you like. The ice.
Maybe it is good. Put it in that hole. That's good right there. In that hole, yeah.
Deanna, when the next trip?
Oh my God, we were supposed to go to Vegas in September. That's what I keep meaning to tell him.
I said, grab your shoe, put them over there. Alright, give me your bag. Go for them, put them right there. Give me your shirt.
You want to be able to differentiate anything.
Never mind. Look, it's right here by the
put two and two together. You
by the
know
plug. One of they little asses gonna cramp up. I thought I was getting in that hot tub. I ain't getting in there.
Hey man, I've been looking down there. Uh-oh.
It look like they boiled policies in there. I'm cool.
I'm about to get some more. It's popping up. I mean, you turned it off.
Make some bass come out that motherfucker.
What is that?